Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Wealth Concept 365. In this episode, we'll learn how to secure workstations and mobile devices. Let's get started. Have you ever heard of CIA Triad? CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. First, let's talk about securing workstations. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access to the system. Mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets are popular targets for attackers because they often contain sensitive information. Some common threats to mobile devices include loss or theft of the device, unauthorized access to the device, and malicious apps. We can implement the following preventive measures to secure mobile devices. If you want to learn more about cybersecurity, then check out our courses on our website. You can find links to the course in the description below. Our courses are designed to help you become an expert in cybersecurity. They cover topics such as ethical hacking, incident response, and digital forensics. These courses are self-paced, so you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can also ask questions and get support from our instructors and fellow students. So go ahead and check out our courses and start your journey in cybersecurity today. See you next time. Use strong passwords or biometric authentication to prevent unauthorized access to the device. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint recognition, is a more secure way to authenticate than a password, as it is difficult to forge. Encrypt the device to protect data in case of loss or theft. This means that the data on the device will be secure even if it falls into the wrong hands. Use a mobile device management system to control access to apps and data on the device. This helps to ensure that only authorized users have access to the device and its data. Regularly back up the data on the device to prevent data loss in case of device failure or theft. Cloud-based backup solutions are a good option as they are accessible from anywhere. Finally, educate users about security best practices for mobile devices, such as how to identify malicious apps and how to use public Wi-Fi safely. Strong passwords should be a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, and should be changed periodically. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Now let's test your knowledge with a practice quiz. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of a physical threat to a workstation? The correct answer is someone stealing a laptop. Question 3. What is the purpose of using strong passwords and multi-factor authentication? The correct answer is to prevent unauthorized access to the system. Question 4. What type of attack is phishing? The correct answer is an attack where users are tricked into revealing their credentials through emails or websites that look legitimate but are fake. Question 5. Why is it important to encrypt data on a mobile device? The correct answer is to protect data in case of loss or theft. By requiring users to provide more than one form of authentication, such as a password and a one-time code, install antivirus and anti-malware software to detect and remove malicious software from the system. This helps to protect against malware and phishing attacks by scanning for viruses and other threats and removing them. Keep the software up to date, as software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. Out-of-the-box security solutions, such as firewalls and intrusion detection systems, can be used to monitor and block suspicious activity on the network. And finally, educate users about security best practices, such as how to identify phishing emails and how to create strong passwords. Regular training and awareness campaigns can help users stay informed and vigilant. A workstation is a computer that is used by a single user for a variety of tasks such as word processing, data entry, and email. Now let's see some common threats to workstations. A malware can be a software that causes damage to a system or steals sensitive information. Phishing is an attack where users are tricked into revealing their credentials through emails or websites that look legitimate but are fake. A physical threat can be someone stealing a laptop or accessing files directly. This is a basic principle of information security that helps us understand how to protect data and systems. Confidentiality means keeping sensitive information safe from unauthorized access. Integrity means ensuring that data remains accurate and unaltered. Availability means making sure that systems and data are accessible to authorized users when needed. Now we'll learn about different ways to implement these concepts to secure our workstations and mobile devices. Let's now discuss some preventive measures that can be taken to secure a workstation. Next, let's move on to securing mobile devices. We just learned about various threats to workstations and mobile devices, as well as preventive measures to mitigate those risks. Question 1. What does CIA stand for in the context of information security? The correct answer is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Thank you for watching.